I'm a sales guy. I talk a lot, so I'm not speechless. I just blab. I blab because I'm filling space. There is no such thing as awkward silence, because I won't let there be silence. Even when Sanic is yelling at me and dancing on my forehead, I'll keep talking, because I'm a sales guy. It's what I do. Is there anything I can get for you? Would you like some water? Maybe a sparkling water? Would you like a root beer? Maybe a cream soda? I don't have any cream soda here right now. I don't. I should get some. Maybe an energy drink. I've got a Red Bull. Blueberry Red Bull. Are you thirsty? How about a snack? Would you like some mixed nuts? Maybe? Would you like a cup of coffee? I know it's kind of late, but maybe you need a little pick-me-up. Maybe a cup of coffee would be good.